Hey guys, this is SRB and today I am reviewing the new power bank of very popular brand Penang. Penang is basically a Chinese company. It mainly manufactures power banks, charging and data cables, adapters, car chargers, etc. So today's power bank model is Pineng PN-961. Wow, both the packing and the free pouch looks very shiny. Let's unbox it to find out more details. Holding the box doesn't feel very heavy. All the details mentioned on the back clearly. As you see that this power bank capacity is 10,000 mAh and this is the back side of the box. Nice photos of the power bank. All the specifications mentioned clearly. Now let's open it. Packing is quite tight. Power bank is not coming out so easily. Okay, here it goes. And inside it has got a tray and power bank is wrapped in the white polythene. It looks very nice. Let's take it out from the polythene. Wow, awesome texture design. It's very sleek and shiny. This is the input lightning port. Wow, it has got two more inputs, micro USB and type C, and also got two USB output ports. This power bank has lithium polymer battery inside which make the power bank thinner. It also has the LED display which show the in and out charging status and the amount of charge remaining. It has three types of inputs to charge the power bank: micro USB, type C and Apple Lightning, which is very good. Now you don't have to worry about the power bank charging cable. Whatever phone you use the same cable to charge the power bank also, which is really a good feature introduced by the company. It has a built-in protection IC to prevent overcharging, over discharging and short circuit. It has intelligent voltage recognition chip that automatically detects the voltage. It is compatible to any phone, tablet device using the USB cable for charging. So now let's talk about its dimensions. This is 145.5 mm long, 72.8 mm wide and 14.3 mm thick, which is really a good size for a power bank. You can easily carry it in your pocket. Its weight is also not very high. It's just 220 grams, which is very lighter than the other models in the market. Now coming to the most interesting feature. It is enabled with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. One output support Quick Charge 3.0 and other output support maximum of 5 volt 2.4 ampere. But you can charge any device whether it is supporting quick charge or not. Out of three inputs, micro USB support quick charge 2.0 but type C and lightning input support quick charge 3.0. This power bank can charge Samsung Galaxy Note 9 more than 2 times. It is available in two colors, black and white in the market. Warranty for this power bank is 1 year, which is standard for any power bank. But please check the user manual. It may vary based on the geography. Here is the pouch that comes free with this power bank. This pouch is basically a string lock pouch. You can see here, and it's very easy to lock and open. And also it's very easy to keep the power bank inside the pouch and lock it to keep your power bank safe. This is the operation guide that comes with the power bank inside the packing. It shows the general introduction, operation instructions and also other instructions that are really useful when you start using your power bank. The back side of the operation guide also you see many details mention protective functions, specifications, warnings, attentions. Please go through this operation guide before you start using your power bank. Okay, so now it's a time to test its performance. I'm plugging in my USB port to the quick charge port and I'm using my iPad and using the lightning cable, and you see the moment I plug in the cable in the iPad, it started charging. On the power bank, it will show you that how much current it is passing to the charging device and also show the status as out. So now we test the charging of the power bank. I'm using the lightning cable as an input, and you see the moment I plug in the cable, it starts charging. When it is in the charging mode, it will blink in, showing that input. So friends, this was the review of the power bank PN961. Based on the details that I mentioned in this video, I could say that this power bank is really good, but the only drawback I would say that it does not come with any input charging cable. I think which is really fine, because like whatever the mobile phone you are using, the charging cable you can use because it support all the three type of charging cables. Thank you friends for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it.